You're all set to hit the road, but your car refuses to start. It's a frustrating situation that can happen to anyone. Before you panic, it's essential to know what to do when you suspect that the culprit might be your car's battery. In this article, we'll walk you through the 10 things to do if your car doesn't start due to a potential battery issue. Let's get started on the path to resolving this common automotive headache. 1. Check the lights and electronics. When you turn the key, do your dashboard lights come on? If they do, it's a good sign that your battery is not completely dead. However, if they are dim or non-existent, it's a clear indication that your battery might be the problem. 2. Listen for clicking sounds. A clicking sound when you try to start your car can indicate a weak or dead battery. This sound is the starter solenoid attempting to engage but failing due to insufficient power. 3. Inspect for corrosion. Corrosion on the battery terminals can disrupt the flow of electricity. Carefully examine the battery terminals for any white or greenish residue. If you spot corrosion, it's time for some maintenance. 4. Try a Jumpstart. A Jumpstart from another vehicle with a healthy battery can often get your car running. Ensure you have jumper cables on hand and follow the proper procedure to avoid any mishaps. 5. Test the battery voltage. A multimeter can help you determine the battery's voltage. A fully charged battery should read around 12.6 volts. If it's significantly lower, your battery may need recharging or replacement. 6. Check for loose connections. Loose or disconnected battery cables can lead to starting issues. Ensure the cables are securely connected to the battery terminals. 7. Assess the age of the battery. Batteries have a limited lifespan, typically around 3 to 5 years. If your battery is older, it may be time for a replacement, even if it's not completely dead yet. 8. Inspect for physical damage. Examine the battery for any physical damage, such as cracks or leaks. A damaged battery can't hold a charge and should be replaced. 9. Use a battery charger. If you have a battery charger, you can attempt to recharge the battery. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to avoid overcharging. 10. Seek professional help. If all else fails, or if you're uncertain about any of the above steps, it's advisable to consult a professional mechanic. They can perform a comprehensive diagnosis and recommend the necessary repairs or replacements.